Hi guys, what's up? This is Psycho Pal and I'm gonna do an unboxing of what I scored during the last Black Friday sale here in Australia. First up, I was able to get this Amazon Echo Show 5 during the last Black Friday sale. Let's see what's inside the box and let's give it a try. So, I'm gonna say, let's do this. This is the Amazon Echo Show 5. Originally at $95 and I got it at $49 only at JB Hi-Fi. Now for its key features. This is voice controlled. It is compatible with these apps, which you can apparently have Alexa learn in her system. Say you want her to play music, it can pull songs from Amazon Music or from Spotify. It can do tons of things, but basically, it can play music and videos, control compatible smart devices, and enable hands-free video calling and messaging. This is Alexa powered, Bluetooth capable, Wi-Fi activated, with audio line out and built-in camera cover. Let's see what's inside. So this is the device itself, having a 5.5 inches of screen, built-in camera, and if you're not using it, you can turn it off by moving its cover. You can also manually adjust the volume using these buttons. And the far left button is if you want to turn the mic and camera on or off. Now at the back are your power port, audio output, micro USB, not for the power. It comes with a warranty and user guide. Another basic is its 15-watt power adapter. Now let us quickly have a look at how easy it is to set up your Echo Show device. And that's it. You're all good. So pretty much you've seen what's inside the box and how to set up your Amazon Echo Show 5. And that's it. It's really easy, isn't it? That will be the end of this video, but before I say goodbye, I want to give my viewers a little something to look forward to by joining a giveaway that is currently being hosted by my friend Chrisispoint. If you could head over to his page, Chrisispoint, and watch the mechanics on how to score or how to join the giveaway. Not to score, sorry, my bad. On how to join his giveaway. He is giving away the very new Poco M3. So, join now, right? And I'm gonna ask you something, a little favor. If you could only unlike, comment down, subscribe to my YouTube channel, that will be a great help. Again, this is your girl Psycho Pal saying bye. Ciao. Hindi ko abot.